It's just a desire that was in my heart that when I was looking around, I think I was 13 years old, I wanted, number one, to leave a mark. Because according to everything that I do, ngifisa ukuthi kwazeke ukuthi ngakhe ngabakhona, ngakhe ngakhuluma, ngakhe ngashiya umlando.
Yes.
So then ngazama ukuchecka ukuthi yini inkinga khulukhulu elutsheni sibhekene nayo, umsuka noma isource yama problem wonke ikuphi. Then ngathi mangiresearcha ngicabangisisa ngabona ukuthi no, zonke izinto zithoma ngama decision. Like yonke into ekhona namhlanje singaphakathi kwestudio, istudio esibefore saba khona kwaba ne decision yathathwa. So impilo yomuntu isekelwa zinqumo ama decision. So ke I came to a point whereby I say let's speak about decision because abantu abaningi siyathatha inqumo inqundo singacabangi. Simane sithathe nje haphazardly because I mean i-decision i-popular, i-trendy, nama ngene styleni, mhlambe it's something that it's being done by many people or it's something that I'm doing because of pressure. So I understood the concept of decision and the impact that it has because abantu abaningi bayathatha ama-decision bangazi umthelela wama-decision. So ke sesiyayibreaka down ukuthi manje uyithatha njani i-decision, yini ofuna uyiconsiderishe mawuthatha ama decision, after then uphila impilo enjani esekela ama decision because impilo yakho izodetermine ngama decision owathathayo.
Wow.
Yes.
That's a powerful statement ukuvela kuMusa wakwaShabangu.
Oh yes.
Mfana mdala mina, I'm so proud of you and